Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate Easter cupcakes. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So to make the chocolate cupcakes in a medium bowl, add in the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined. And set it aside for now. Then in a small bowl, add in the egg, buttermilk, canola or vegetable oil, and vanilla extract, and whisk them together until they're well combined. Then add it into the dry ingredients and mix it until it's nearly combined but not fully incorporated. Then measure out the boiling water, add it into the batter, and mix it until it's all combined. And scoop the batter into a muffin pan lined with paper liners, dividing it as evenly as possible. And bake them in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once they're ready, remove them from the oven and let them cool completely. To make the frosting in a medium bowl, add the softened butter and beat it with an electric mixer on medium speed until it's smooth. Then sift in about half of the powdered sugar. Mix it in on low speed until it's combined. And once it is combined, beat it on a medium speed for another minute. Then sift in the rest of the powdered sugar and also add in the milk and mix it on a low speed until they're combined. Then add in the vanilla extract and mix it in until it's combined. And then finish it by hand to make sure all the ingredients are mixing in. Add about half to 2/3 of the frosting into a separate bowl and color it green. Then place the frosting into a piping bag fitted with a grass tip, or if you don't have a grass tip, I'll show you an alternative later in the video. Once the cupcakes have cooled completely, pipe the frosting on top to make it look like grass. Then just top it with whatever Easter candy you like. If you like, you can core out the center of the cupcake and then fill it with M&Ms as a surprise. Then just pipe grass on top of it. And here I have a small chocolate bunny that I'm adding to the top of it. And here I'm going to show you how to make a cupcake that looks like there's a carrot inside it. To make it, chop up the white chocolate into small pieces and add it into a heat-proof bowl. And add in the refined coconut oil, or you can use shortening, and this will not only thin out the chocolates, but it will also help keep it from seizing when we add the food coloring later. Then just heat it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Then take it out and stir it really well. It will continue to melt as you stir it. Then heat it for another 10 seconds. And take it out and stir it really well. If there are still lumps, you can microwave it for another 5 to 10 seconds, but I don't need to because all the chocolate is melted. Then just color it orange and pour it into a smaller container. Then take some strawberries, make sure they're washed and dried, and dip them into the melted chocolate. Lift it up and shake it to let excess drip off, and place it onto a sheet of parchment paper. To help the chocolate set faster, you can place them into the fridge or freezer. Then crush up some Oreos in a food processor, or you can put them in a bag and crush them with a rolling pin. And place it into a small bowl. Core out the center of the cupcake. Spread the uncolored frosting around the top and dip it into the crushed Oreos. And add a chocolate-covered strawberry into the hollowed-out center. Then just continue decorating the cupcakes however you like. To make the grass without a grass tip, just place the frosting into a plastic bag and use a toothpick to poke a bunch of holes into it. And simply use it to pipe the frosting on top of the cupcake. And top it with whatever Easter candy you like. And that's how to make chocolate Easter cupcakes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.